You have noticed what is happening on Earth right now. That what people are being told to do is to isolate themselves. What countries are being told to do is to separate themselves one from another. But what the awakeners on your planet are doing is actually the opposite. They are talking to each other. They are organizing online workshops, transmissions. They are putting out communications in order to assist each other. And those groups which are in cities now, wherever they are able to communicate with each other, are talking more, are sharing more. For always on your planet, a state of crisis will bring people together to assist each other out of the crisis. And so what seems to be a negative situation is actually opening up so many positive possibilities. And so what you see on your planet now is that an intention towards the dark from the powers that have been is actually manifesting an expansion of the light. And this is a wonderful thing, is it not? So wonderful to see you awakeners using this opportunity to spread more light, to give more love and more kindness to each other, and to cooperate. This is something that was lost over the 2,000 plus years of the age of Pisces. The desire to cooperate with each other as a tribe of light, a tribe of Gaia, all of humanity. The original tribes on your planet did not need to force themselves to cooperate with each other, for they understood intuitively that if they harmed another in the tribe, they harmed themselves. That they always needed to assist and support each other in order for their tribe to flourish and prosper, and also that they needed to cooperate with nature, with the forces of nature, and with Gaia, the planet, the whole of Gaia. That this cooperation between human beings and from human beings to plant and animal kingdoms, that this was natural. They understood also their cooperation with the solar system, with the stars, with the sun, the moon, with the galaxy in which they lived. This came naturally to them. And for this reason, celebration of the equinoxes and solstices was natural for them, for they lived in harmony and cooperation with each other, with the planet, with the galaxy and universe. And this is the cooperation principle which is being reseeded on your planet now, in the co-creation of the new earth. Seek ways, dear ones, to be of service to others, whether this is in the form of simple kindness, rebirthing simple acts of kindness, being kind to strangers, smiling more, acts of anonymous kindness, such as leaving that £1 or €1 in your trolley in the supermarket so that someone else may recover that money. Simple acts of kindness to homeless people on the street. Not seeking for reward from your generosity or kindness, but doing it anonymously. Seeking to shift your world into one more loving and kind through your own example. Your children learn from this and not from your words. They learn from your way of being. Rebirthing on your planet, kindness and compassion towards elders. Rebirthing the way on your planet where elders are respected, are valued once more. Finding ways to help the elder generation so that they can perceive themselves as wisdom keepers and not as useless. Finding ways to encourage the young ones. Finding ways, whether they are your children or not, to be kind and open and loving to children, to interact with them more. For these children need larger support groups than their parental circle. These children need the support and wisdom of you, the awakeners, and so seek to find ways to transmit light, loving kindness and wisdom to the young ones also. This is the time of the rebirth of your planet and people, and you have chosen to be here for this. This brings goosebumps and tears to your eyes, does it not, dear ones? For you understand that this is true, and that the crisis which is presenting itself at this time is a wonderful opportunity to birth more light, to shine your light, to assist others into the stepping into the light. And if you are one listening to this message way beyond the time of the coronavirus, nevertheless, this is true for all crises that present themselves on your planet. A crisis, a natural disaster, whatever it is that presents itself on your planet is always an opportunity to step forward and expand your consciousness and be of more service.